2014 Hyundai Santa Fe with a third row, limited, ultimate, and technology packages. Power liftgate, plenty of storage. Nice tan leather interior. With the rear window shades. Panoramic sunroof. OE floor mats with the hooks. WeatherTech for the fronts. Memory driver's seat. Premium Infinity audio system. Heated and cooled front seats. Parking sensors. Backup camera. Navigation. Free 90-day trial. Sirius XM satellite radio. Hands-free Bluetooth. Smart cruise control. Heated steering wheel. Blind spot monitor. Just over 118,000 miles. Come by and see us, won't last long. In your cars.